February 26, 2026 Midday News Summary, New York Time, covering 6 morning to 12 noon. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, ECB holds rates, revises inflation outlook. The European Central Bank kept its key deposit rate at 3.75% but revised its 2026 inflation forecast down to 1.9% from 2.1%. President Lagarde stated the discussion on rate cuts is intensifying, signaling a potential move in April. The euro fell 0.8% against the dollar to 1.0720 following the dovish tilt. News 2, U.S. durable goods orders plunge in January. New orders for U.S. manufactured durable goods fell 6.1% in January, the sharpest drop since April 2020, significantly missing the expected 4.5% decline. The data, led by a collapse in aircraft orders, raised concerns about business investment resilience and weighed on pre-market S&P 500 futures. News 3, Japan core CPI holds at 2% in January. Japan's core consumer price index, excluding fresh food, remained at 2% year-on-year in January, meeting the Bank of Japan's target for the 22nd consecutive month. The data supports the case for the BOJ to normalize policy, with market focus on potential March action. The yen strengthened 0.3% to 149.50 per dollar. News 4, Brent crude tops $85 on extended supply cuts. Brent crude oil futures rose 2.1% to $85.40 per barrel after OPEC Plus sources indicated the group is likely to extend its current production cuts into the second quarter. The move aims to counterbalance rising non-OPEC supply and support prices amid uncertain demand growth. News 5, UK and EU reach deal on financial services. The UK and European Union announced a new Memorandum of Understanding on Financial Services Cooperation, establishing a structured forum for regulatory dialogue. The deal, hailed as a post-Brexit breakthrough, is expected to improve market access stability and spurred a 1.2% rally in the FTSE 350 Banks Index. News 6, global tech stocks slide on AI chip export worries. Major Asian and European semiconductor stocks fell after the U.S. Commerce Department announced a review of AI chip export controls to certain Middle Eastern nations. Nvidia and AMD shares were down over 3% in pre-market trading, dragging down broader tech indices. That's all for today's news. See you next time.